girl Shade, and yes, vacation done. I am back at home. I just want to thank you guys for the overwhelming support that I've received on the hotel vlogs. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys who took the time out to subscribe. We are now 700 subscribers strong. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? We're in the month of November. We have 700 subscribers, and I am so happy. I'm so happy. I just want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the Lab Squad. You won't regret it. And make sure your post notifications are turned on so you'll be notified when I post. Alright guys, so for this week's video, as you can see based on the title, I will be telling you guys the personal. So the onus is upon you to leave a comment down below and tell me if they were spot on correct or if they were off the charts. Like, that is not you at all. I'm very excited to know if it's really true, because in Japan it's a big deal. Like, if you want to know if someone is a good fit for your company or for marriage, they actually ask you what's your blood type, and then they'll know if you're compatible or not. So at the end of telling you your personality, I'll be also telling you which blood types you are compatible with. So you do want to stay tuned for this video. It promises to be fun, exciting, and of course, informative. Alright guys, so let's jump in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go! Alright guys, so there are 4 primary blood types. You have A, B, O, and AB. Now these blood types are differentiated based on which antigens are present on your red blood cell. So if you are type A, then you have A antigens. If you are type B, then you have B antigens. If you are type O, you know O means 0. That means you have no antigens. And if you are a type AB, then of course you have both A and B antigens. You know, some people not like that. AB is actually the rarest blood type. Just a disclaimer guys, there is no scientific evidence that backs up this theory that your blood type depicts your personality. Alright, it's out there and persons do believe it, and they actually list out the personality associated with each blood type. So now I'm going to see, based off your guys' comments, we're doing a little experiment, right? So you guys are participating in my study. We're going to see if this is actually true or false. Alright, let's get straight into it. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. So, persons with the A blood type. Alright, Lab Squad, I hope you guys know your blood group so that you can actually actively participate in this very interesting conversation that we're about to have in the comments. Alright guys, so let's kick it off by starting with the blood type A. So persons with the blood group A, they tend to be very loyal, cooperative, patient. They tend to be peacemakers. They try their best not to get into fights with others. Wow guys, I am A. Like, my blood type is A, so it's matching up for me thus far. Let's continue and see if it does. So it says persons with blood group A also tend to get oversensitive. No, I don't know about that part, but we're moving on. They do not like to break rules set by society and care about etiquette and social standards. These people take their time to make decisions and are too organized, cannot multitask. They like things neat and clean and at the right place, which is why people with OCD fall into the A blood type. Guys, if you are blood type A, comment down below right now and tell me if these personalities match you as a human being. So guys, persons with blood type A, they tend to be kind, shy, attentive, stubborn, polite, tense, reliable, overly sensitive, that's fine, I'll take it, composed, and reserved. Now their best personality traits are they're loyal, perfectionist, organized, and consistent. Now I agree with that 100%. However, the bad personality traits of a person with blood type A, obsessive, overly sensitive, pessimistic, stubborn, easily stressed, and fastidious. These people make reliable and trustworthy friends. They do not like to show their emotions and feelings to anyone unless comfortable with them. I agree. Alright, so let's go into the B blood type. Now, these people are very creative. They are quick decision makers. They do not like to take orders, but they put every part of themselves into what they want to focus on. Alright, so if you are a B blood type, comment down below and tell me if it matches. Just similar to A, they say that B blood type aren't good at multitasking. The positive traits of someone with the B blood type: they are curious, strong, relaxed, creative, adventurous, passionate, cheerful, and outgoing. Now, if you are B, are you outgoing? Are you passionate? Are you cheerful? Let me know. However, the negative personality traits: they tend to be wild, erratic, selfish, unforgiving, uncooperative, irresponsible, and unpredictable. Now, be honest, guys. I mean, we don't all have good personality traits. So if you are blood type B, just let me know how much of these personality traits do you display, and let us see if it's actually true or false. Persons with AB blood group, they tend to be a mix of both A and B, meaning that they tend to have dual personalities. So they can either be as shy as a person in blood group A, or wild and erratic as a person in blood group B. Persons with AB blood type tend to keep their true personality hidden away from strangers. They have to be comfortable around you for you to see their real side. So if you are AB, even though this is rarest blood type out there, but if you happen to be AB, comment down below and tell me if this is true. Are you displaying these types of... No. Good personality traits of AB: they are charming, controlled, cool, dream chaser, caring, rational, trustworthy, adaptable, and creative. The bad personalities, however, are: they are complicated, vulnerable, irresponsible, self-centered, forgetful, unforgiving, and critical. These persons in AB blood type, they tend to be very creative. They love to live in their own world, and they can be a little eccentric. Alright, so their way of doing things are different from others. This blood type AB, they are open to new ideas. So comment down below and let us know how we're doing so far, guys. Are we matching your personalities? Let us know. And now to the final blood type, O. People with O blood group. These people are daring, outgoing, and they are go-getters. Guys, comment down below if you are type O right now and tell me. They have a tendency to set a high standard for themselves, and they do all they can to achieve them. These people have excellent leadership qualities, and the little things do not bother them. So the positive personality traits are: they are good leadership skills, easygoing, positive outlook, confident, calm, outgoing, cautious, loyal, peaceful, passionate, independent, reliable, carefree, trendsetter, and devoted. The Japanese people call persons with type O as warriors because they are so strong and enduring. So guys, if you are type O, comment down below. Now to the negative personality traits. They are jealous, ruthless, rude, not punctual, insensitive, cold, arrogant, and unpredictable. So guys, comment down below. Let me know how we doing. Are we matching up with your personalities? Now to the love section. Blood type compatibilities. So if you are AB, then you tend to be compatible with all the blood groups because they believe that you can get along with anyone. Your adaptable nature, helps to balance out the shortcomings of the other blood types. Although B might have some issues mixing with the AB, but if you are strong enough, you can endure it. So if you're AB, you have a good chance of finding love and being compatible because you can get along with everyone. Now for blood type O. Blood type O is compatible with AB and also their own blood type O. This is because sometimes blood type O tends to be a little bit bossy. So they're saying if AB can adapt to the bossiness, then they should have a fine relationship. If O and O, they're going to butt heads, but they should be able to work it out and still have a long-lasting relationship. If you are in a relationship, tell me if it so happens that your partner is compatible with your blood type or not. And remember guys, don't go breaking up. These have no scientific evidence backing the claim. It's just a theory that your blood type depicts your personality and which blood type you are compatible with. Now to blood type B. Blood type B is compatible with AB and the B type. B blood type, they are known to be artistic. So this is why other B blood types are a good match for them. But if an A blood type can deal with the B's personality of being zen-like and nonchalant, then they would be a great match. On B part, they might not like is temper. It would be too much work. So you have to be willing to put in the work, guys. Now, blood type A. Blood type A is compatible with AB and blood type A. So the best match for A is usually another A because A blood types love people they can trust easily. I mean, ABs can get along with anyone. So guys, if you realize the trend or the common theme in all of this is that your blood group is compatible with its own blood group and also with blood group AB. Alright, so find out if you and your partner have the same blood group and then you know you're on your way to a successful relationship. If not, don't worry, there's no scientific evidence backing it up, so you should be fine. Yes guys, it's very interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments and see if it was actually true or false, and if the Japanese really do have something going on by asking someone what's your blood type. I mean, if you go on a first date, probably you need to be, instead of asking someone what's their favorite color, you need to be asking what's your blood type, so you can see if you're compatible or not. Alright guys, so thank you Lab Squad for making it to the end of this video. If you have any more topics that you'd like me to focus on, don't forget to leave them down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram at labsoutloud, or you can email us at labsoutloud@gmail.com. I'm looking forward to serving you guys with great and exclusive content for the rest of the year and onwards. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!